Okay, so we're switching gears here. We're done with mood and tone. The take-home test was due today in class, so make sure you get that turned in if you weren't here. So today we're working on two standards, one that you already know, which is the second one here, which is making inference based on details using literature. But now we're going to look at making inferences based on details using an informational text or nonfiction. So that's the same standard, but it's I instead of L, I for informational. So we're going to be on pages 13 and 14 of your Inside Out and Back Again packet. And we're going to find challenges Ha faces while fleeing home and challenges Ha faces while finding home. So on pages 13 and 14 there are two rows, two boxes. So you're just going to find two. I'll do one with you for each page here. So page 13, a challenge Ha faces while fleeing home. We can say she did not want to leave her papaya tree. So we could find a quote for that, which is on page 60, Wet and Crying. Where she says, Brother Vu chops, the head falls. Kind of showing how she felt that the papaya tree was almost a person to her. So that could be a quote. As far as challenges Ha faces while finding home, in the part that you guys are reading, Ha's having a couple of challenges where she is struggling to learn English. So that's what we could say for that. Okay, so then we have to find a quote for that. On page 118, it's a story called First Rule. So she says, whoever invented English must have loved snakes, because she's having trouble practicing that S sound. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you notice how there's two boxes for each page. You're going to find another challenge and then a quote. I know on page 14 it's the wrong graphic organizer, so just ignore the directions and put on there challenges Ha faces while finding home. So by fleeing we mean when she's leaving. By finding we mean when she's settling in America. Okay, the next part that we did in class, you need to go ahead and go to resources, find your class, go to resources, Inside Out and Back Again, and find a PDF called Panic Rises in Saigon. It's an informational article. You're going to read that and complete page 20 in the packet. So it's the same sort of thing, challenges many people from South Vietnam faced when they flee South Vietnam, and the evidence. So you're going to kind of do the same thing after reading. Two challenges and the strongest evidence to prove that's what the challenge they faced was. And then you're going to do 3 and 4 for homework if you don't finish it. So that's going to be homework, and you also have a reading assignment, which is to read pages 123 to 150, which is the homework assignment. So you should come to class with those two done, and also don't forget to hand in the take-home test. And that is it.